Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you read by the title, this is going to be a Fenty beauty fragrance unboxing video. So before I start with this unboxing, I like to say that I was supposed to do this video a while ago, but better late than never. So back in the day, I used to wear Rihanna's old fragrance, Rogue Love, Rebel, and Fleur, something like that. And I still have them till this day. I still buy them. Like, this is Rogue Love. This is a new bottle actually. This is Nude and this is Rebel. So when I found out that she was coming out with this fragrance, I knew that there's a 95% chance I'm going to like it because I like her other fragrances. So I got this fragrance a day before the release date because I knew I had to get my hands on it, and here it is. So this is how it comes. This is the box. Is cute. You just take it out like this and then you just see it, and you notice the blue shirt that I'm wearing. Yes, it was on purpose. So a few notes on this fragrance. I have to pull it up on my phone. Read some of the notes. There's a lot of notes on here. There's Mongolia, musk with tangerine, blueberry, hints of Bulgarian rose, geranium, and patchouli. So there's a lot of notes in here, but I have a good feeling that this is gonna smell good. So there she is. Okay, this is how she is looking. The bottle is just so cute, so cute. And I forgot to mention the cost. The price of this fragrance is $120 plus shipping and tax, so maybe like $130, something like that. So this is the cute little bottle. It's cute. It says Fenty over here. And how many ounces is this? I don't know. For $120 you get 2.5 ounces. So that's not bad. 2.5 ounces for $120. So let's go ahead and wear her. I'm go ahead and gonna spray it on my wrist. You definitely smell the blueberry. But y'all see that mist, like how it sprays. It's just okay. So I'm definitely smelling the musk, tangerine, and blueberries. Okay, I like this. Definitely the tangerine is definitely standing out to me. Yeah, it's definitely standing out to me. I'm gonna go ahead and spray on my other wrist. I'm gonna show you guys how it sprays. Like, it's just, y'all see that, how fine it is. I'll let it settle. Ooh, she's strong. She's strong. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, so she's definitely grown and sexy. She's a little fruity because of the blueberry and tangerine, but she's more, oh my god, she's more like grown and sexy. This is not for the little girls. This is for the grown and sexy women. Okay, go ahead and spray her right here. I'm actually going out today, so I'm gonna go ahead that. Okay, so I'm liking her. So as it's like drying down, I'm starting to smell like the patchouli, the citrus scent from the tangerine. Okay, but you know, but I don't know, the blueberry is fading away. I don't know, I'm not smelling the blueberry anymore, but it smells really good. It smells like it's definitely something that I've smelled before. I've smelled this before, I just don't know where. Somewhere in Macy's I smelled it before. It's not, she's strong, she's very strong. She smells really good, but I've smelled this something similar, not the same thing, but something similar before. But she smells good. I love it. I'm glad I got it. So I'm gonna be wearing her for a little bit. I'm gonna come back and see how she's holding up, because if she's not holding up, then there's a problem. So the time is, it's actually late, so it is 5, hold on. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:59 p.m.
So 5:59 p.m, 6 o'clock basically. I'm gonna come back maybe 8 or 9 and just like tell you guys how she's holding up. Hopefully I can get at least like 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, because she is like I guess she would be like a high-end fragrance. But so far so good. I'm liking her. She smells so good. Definitely like a date night type of fragrance. I'll definitely say it's a date night type of fragrance. She's strong. I'm smelling the musk more, but it's not too much. It's not overpowering the other scents, but I'm definitely getting just, I don't know, like this hand I'm not smelling the blueberries much, but this hand I am, because I sprayed this one first. But I'm just, I don't know, I like it. It's different. I mean, it's not different, it's something that I smelled before. I don't know how to explain it. It's just she's grown, she's sexy, she's ready to conquer, she's ready to get her money, she's about her bag, she is her, okay? That's what she is. But she smells good. But so far, first impression, I like it. It's not something that you haven't smelled before. I feel like I smelled this somewhere, I just don't know where. I can't think of which fragrance that smells a little similar, but I definitely smelled something similar before. But this one is different. She is her. She is, smells so good. I can't stop smelling it. Okay, now I'm picking up the blueberry again. I love the blueberry. So far so good. I'm gonna come back in a few hours and let you guys know how she's holding up. Hopefully she's still smelling good and stuff, but hopefully she at least holds at least 6 hours, because 6 to 8 hours, because she is an eau de parfum, and eau de parfum usually lasts longer than like eau de toilette. But these are also eau de parfum, and they don't last as long. Her, you know, her little baby fragrance, I think you'll get about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours with these, but hopefully with her I can get like at least 6 to 8. So we're gonna see how she's holding up. Oh yeah, it smells good. So I'm gonna be back maybe like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I don't know. I'm gonna come back and give you guys a little update on this Fenty Beauty fragrance. Okay, so I'll be back. Bye. All right, love, so I am back 7 hours later and she is holding up. Okay, the time is now 1 a.m. I am back. I just got back in the house. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 1:02 a.m.
1:02 a.m. So basically 7 hours later, and Fenty is holding up, okay? I can still smell her. Of course, the scent is not as strong as it was when I sprayed it at 6, but I can still, I'm still getting the musk and the tangerine. So the fact that 7 hours later it is still holding up, so she's definitely that girl. She definitely has that longevity that we all like in a fragrance. She definitely upgraded from this. She's not her anymore, okay? She's not her. She is she, okay? She's that girl, okay? Longevity, it smells good. Come on. So at the time of this recording, this is actually sold out right now, but when it gets back in stock and you're looking for a new scent to add to your collection, I'll definitely recommend Fenty Beauty. Not Fenty Beauty, it's Fenty. Yeah, Fenty fragrance by Rihanna. She is that girl. Get her, okay? I feel like you just need her in your collection. You just try it. You know, you may like it, you may not like it, but on my skin it smells really good. It lasts very long. So, and I didn't put lotion on my wrist or anything like that. I just sprayed it and I still got that longevity out of it. So yeah, so thank you all for watching this video. If you like videos like this, let me know down below in the comments, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.